Hello, teachers
and future educators.
I am Blake,
I am Rachel,
and we are
your teachers for today. So para sa ako number one, I choose teaching tungod kay it's a passport to all. Passport to all profession.
module.
For example, if you want to be a doctor, so pwede na ka, no, after you graduate, so you proceed na mag-doctor, 4 years na nagmumon.
Correct, yes.
If you want to be a policeman, and then
Terminology.
yes, mag-take ka sa ilahang na bukom, and then you can. Mag-BGMP, pwede nga po. Sige. Pero mo, passport to all.
Okay. This is a stable job. Stable, teacher ka. Once teacher na ka, teacher na ka. Oo. Hindi na dyan na makukuha sa imo. Teacher na dyan ka.
You are the modern hero. Because imagine you have a class size of, for example, 50 students or 40 students or 30 students.
That's a lot.
You take care of that students, no? Para sa ilahang future. Imagine you are the one shaping their selves
Correct.
into becoming better version of themselves, to be better citizen in the society. So that is why.
You are the model. Okay? You are the example.
Okay.
Okay? Sa lower years, okay, sa mga learners, ikaw dyan ang tanawon nila, and through you, dagan dyan ma-inspire sa ito. Even if dili na mo storya ang mga estudyante, bisag di na sila mo share. No, bisag mo storya pa na sila nga, ikaligid si ma'am, no, kuhaan gigil siya. Naghatigin ipa-project si ma'am. Pero later on, maka-realize na dyan na sila nga, mao di ay. Akong teacher, grabe dyan iyang willingness. So, mo na makaingon sila ma-inspire, gadyo ko ni ma'am.
Yes.
Grabe dyan siya.
Alright.
Ana, ako po na-inspire po. Teacher ako.
Me too. Ikalima, you are always remembered.
Correct.
No matter unsa pa diha ang panahon, tiguyang na ka, always sige hapon ka ma-remember ng iyong estudyante.
Bitaw.
They will become a successful one, an engineer, a doctor, a lawyer, but still, bisag engineer na sila, bisag doctor na sila, or lawyer ba ka ha, they will stay, ma'am. Hi ma'am, kumusta? Ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am. No? How do you feel?
Uy, ito, reward me. Paingon ka, ay, kailan ba pwede ka na ito?
And then you was mag-ingon sila sa imuha ng ma'am, salamat ka siya or kaayo. Because so mauna ni.
Nice.
So, ma-auto ang mga reasons. But there are a lot of reasons.
Daghan pa. And if naamoy ideas kung sa nga nung hinahanglan pa mat yun, nga nindot man siya na mag-teach. O I have to choose teaching. You can comment down below. Share with us your opinions and your experiences. Okay, kita-kita na ba dyan ang mga teachers, di ba?
Well, thank you so much for watching. Again, don't forget to
Bye!